Couple of little isolated showers late this evening, one down in southern Terrebonne Parish, the other, and both have since fizzled out, was just north of the lakefront or just to the northeast of the lakefront airport. That was it. Most of us stayed dry again today and will stay dry over the next couple of days. On satellite, we're under clearing skies, have a few little remnant clouds around, but that'll continue to clear out. Won't help us out with our temperatures much. Normally clear skies would allow us to cool down, but dew points won't really allow that to happen. 93 is our heat index currently with a temperature of 85 degrees. In the 70s, 80s outside at the moment. Dew points in the 70s, so that's about as cool as we're going to get during the overnight and to start the day tomorrow. The heat will be the big story for the coming days into the weekend, especially tomorrow and Saturday. As this high kind of settles right over us, temperatures mid and more upper 90s across the area. Now that high will still be in play on Sunday, Father's Day. It will be in a position to kind of allow some Gulf moisture, so a few spotty to scattered showers, but not as much rain as we were at one time thinking. So I've dropped it down to about a 30% chance, mainly south shore down toward the coast. And even as we head early into next week, the high still in control. Notice how it is going to strengthen across much of the nation. I tell you what, the big story next week will be just how hot temperatures are across the central and eastern half of the nation with this very strong upper high developing. But what it also does to us is it really cuts off that surge of tropical moisture that could be headed in our general direction. And I'm kind of talking about just the northern and western Gulf of Mexico. I may be optimistic here with our temperatures only to the upper 80s. I do think we will see a little bit of a break in our temperatures with a little more cloudiness and some scattered showers, maybe not as cool as the upper 80s, and that's not even that cool. Upper high is already showing, or the surface high, excuse me, already showing signs of its dominance with no rainfall around, and we're going to stay rather dry through the rest of this week, and even the last couple of days hadn't seen a whole lot of rainfall. Isolated shower tomorrow and Saturday, probably a less than 10% chance. A little bit better of an opportunity though on Sunday, Father's Day, but even that, not a lot, because I think with even that tropical moisture surging in, the upper high is going to squash any of that. What is also going to help to probably limit our rain chances is the potential development of something in the Bay of Campeche or southwestern Gulf. As this little system tries to organize, it is going to draw any of that tropical moisture moving toward us toward itself. And so this system, if it does organize, will actually decrease our rain chances, as most of that moisture is going to get sent toward the more western Gulf, Mexico, Texas, as opposed to us. So our rain chances aren't looking as great as they once were. We'll get that tropical moisture surge through the weekend, but only with, but when you also factor in the upper high, keeping kind of dry air in the mix as well. So the bulk of the moisture is going more toward Texas and Mexico, and with that drier air mixing in as well, I just don't think we're going to see a whole lot of rainfall. And the models have been trending drier, with most of our rainfall totals now coming in much, much less than we were at one time thinking. These summertime systems, tropical development, always put a huge wrench in the forecast when trying to figure out rain chances, temperatures. Again, what we're looking at for the next couple of days, not much rain at all. Highs mid upper 90s. Sunday, a few spotty showers, and then scattered at best 40 to maybe 50% as we continue through much of next week.